unbox a Nespresso Essenza mini
Machine! But why is it called Nespresso, Bob?
Well, it has the exact same spelling of espresso, only with an N at the start.
Okay.
And that N symbolizes the N from Nestle. It's made by Nestle. So with a snap of my fingers, it and its capsules will appear. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Wow! Okay, so here's the Nespresso machine. Yeah, it's from Nestle. So here, do you see it? Oh, the capsules fell. I'll bring it back on top of this machine with another snap of my fingers. Wow! Now it didn't go on the top of this machine, but at least it's on the table.
It's
But
back.
never mind. So it has 5 capsules.
No, I think this has 10. I think there's 10.
Yeah,
10
2 in
capsules.
each. 2 in each.
No, there's 10 here.
No, 10 in each.
10 in each.
So there's like 50.
Yes, so this alone will make 50 cups of coffee. So what are we waiting for? Let's unbox.
Yes, okay, so yeah, let's go.
There we go. Comes with.
Oh, there. So here.
Comes with.
Oh yeah, what's that?
This is the
Okay, so one part, 2 parts out. Put them here. Okay. Oh, another part
Put this
out.
here.
Oh, the wire's connected to it.
So look, another set of capsules.
I don't know how many there are.
Let's see. I think there's 14 capsules.
So 64.
So we have 64 capsules or 64 cups of coffee. So we're gonna put
Oh, here comes the espresso machine itself. Dun, 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 dun.
and the manual. Okay, can we put this cups on the side here
Okay.
so that our viewers can see the machine.
And everything in a box.
So it's covered with a plastic. Wow, nice.
Yeah, it's so smooth and neat. Though we require no effort to pull it out. You just unfold it, right?
Yes. It comes with the machine, this part, a warranty manual. What's this?
Oh, and a safety manual?
Safety manual, I think.
Well, it's
Let's see
clear
how the
because
safety manual.
look here.
Yeah, safety. It's a safety.
Yeah, both of them are safe. And so these are separate capsules. But if you remember, when we opened the box, we also found another capsule. So now we have capsules which can make us 64 cups of coffee.
So how does this work? We put a capsule here, we close it, and coffee will come out somewhere here.
So is this the part to like where the leftover coffee pours in?
I think so. I think you place it here. There.
Oh, so then this is where the coffee will pour.
Yes.
But then what's that?
This is for the, can you guess?
If
What's the
I'm-
ingredient of coffee when you're making coffee?
If
Should
I'm
have.
right, it's water.
Yes, this is where you put the hot water.
So okay, so I think you have to insert this somewhere here like that. Ta-da!
So, what are we waiting for? Let's test it downstairs. Come on.
Kaya, of course, let's come on. how it worked.
Yes, and the coffee is so delicious.
Yeah, it's soothing.
Yes. One more thing. Did you know that the Essenza Mini is the smallest machine in the Nespresso line?
Wow. Well, it's already in its name, mini. So,
Yes.
like, yeah, it deserves to be the smallest one.
Okay. So if you like this video, please hit the like button.
And please subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also by ringing the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. And if you want, we can continue the conversation in the comment section
Below.
This is my dad
It's my son Bob.
saying
Happy weekend!